Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add hashtag in your live on Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the video icon with a pink background. Here you can see the hashtag icon in the right hand side of the screen. Tap on it. Here you can either add your own hashtag or use the ones that are recommended. Now whenever you start a live, this hashtag will appear in your live. So that is how you can add hashtag in your live on Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.